Hello friends, my name is Navjot Singh and I am from navjotblog.com. I am a full-time internet marketer and I have over 8 years of experience working as internet marketer. Okay, so today I have created this video to tell you about Clickfunnels special discount offer. As you know that right now Clickfunnel offer only two pricing plan. The first is which cost you around $97 per month, while the enterprises account will cost you $297 per month. And as you there are lot of differences in both uh, packages, as the enterprise plan offer more feature and more number of unique visitor pages, funnel, etc. Okay, so but few days ago, actually I have received an email from my reader where he has shown his interest in purchasing ClickFunnel, but he also want some special bonuses and special discount from me. So I have come to know about an exclusive offer through which you can grab the enterprise's account for just $166 per month in lieu of $297 per month. So today I will guide you step by step that how you can grab the enterprise's account for just $166 per month. Okay, so below this video you will find a special discount link on which when you click on that link it will redirect it to this landing page. First of all, I highly suggest you that you watch this entire video, because by watching this you will come to know that what type of contents and what type of special pricing you are getting under this offer. So once you watch that entire video, then just click on get the ClickFunnel funnel hack special offer. So once you click on this link it will redirect it to this page. Okay, so we are landed here. So on this page you will find that you will get 6-month enterprises account worth 1782, whose value is $1782, plus other awesome premium products. Okay, so you will also get access to other four premium contents, and or you can say products, which are highly valuable. And this special offer is only applicable if you land or visit the special discount page through the link given on this page. Okay, so once you land there, then you first need to create your account. Okay, so I am going to fill my detail, full name. After that you have to enter your best email id, like okay, my support at navjotblog.com. After that you have to enter the desired password, and after that you have to enter your phone number. Okay, so once you fill all the necessary detail, then just click on create my account now. Okay, okay, I think okay, log in to continue. I have already created an account, I think. let's try. Okay, so now we have moved to step 2. On step 2, here you will find that you are getting 6 month access to ClickFunnel for just 997. Okay, and apart from that, these awesome bonuses are free of cost. You can see you are getting these 4 bonuses which are not available anywhere on internet, apart from if you purchase it. These bonuses only applicable if you purchase the ClickFunnel through this special discount page. But now you are thinking that, what if you want to buy the enterprise account for 1 year? You don't have any option for purchasing the ClickFunnel enterprise account for next 1 year. So I am going to reveal a secret trick that how you can purchase the ClickFunnel enterprises account along with other awesome premium contents. Okay, so just take a look. Okay, so what you will do, that you don't need to enter your credit card number here. Okay, don't enter your credit card number here. In lieu, just try to pay through PayPal. So just click on the PayPal button and you will see two options, like the 6 month package and the one full year package. The 6 months package will cost you 997, while the full year package will cost you 1997. But still, these are quite cheaper as per their regular pricing plan. Whenever you purchase any package, it still costs you just $166 per month, and I can show you that. So let's, okay, calculator. Okay, so 997 divided by 6 month. Okay, so it costs you just $166. Now let's take a look at 12-month pack. 1997 divided by 12 months, so still it's cost you $166. Okay, in lieu of $297. That is a awesome deal, and you will find no other place than this special link. Okay, so once you, apart from that, if you are a US citizen, you will also see a special option on here, that you can take benefit of PayPal credit option, and under which you don't have to pay any interest if you paid in full within 6 months. Okay, so it is very good option if you are a US resident. uh, However, if you are not residing in US or in any other part of the world, then you still able to take benefit of this special offer, but you don't able to get benefit of PayPal credit option. So once you decide the package, then just click on that link. Okay, just click on that link and it will redirect it to the PayPal checkout page. So here is the PayPal checkout page looks like. Here is the ClickFunnel company name. Here is your description of the product which you are going to purchase. And if you have PayPal account, then you can use your PayPal login info. Otherwise, if you don't have PayPal account, then you can enter your debit or credit card detail here and click on pay. So once you successfully completed the order process, then you will receive the login credential along with the invoice in your email. So this is one of the best way to purchase ClickFunnel at special discount offer. I hope that you enjoy this informative video. And by the way, I am offering some special bonuses, and actually I'm offering some special funnels to my subscriber who will purchase the ClickFunnel account through my affiliate link. And if you have any query or in doubt, and if you are interested in purchasing ClickFunnel, or you need any help regarding ClickFunnel, then you can send an email to support@navjotblog.com, and I will glad to help you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now. Peace.